Number 1. The 1977 Oldsmobile Cutlass, priced at $5,900, located in Chattanooga, Tennessee. This classic car has low mileage, with less than 64,000 original miles, and has spent most of its life stored in a garage. The exterior is in good condition with a classic cream color and only minor rust, mainly in the trunk, about the size of a 50-cent coin. The interior remains intact and well-maintained, featuring beige cloth seats that show some signs of aging, but no major tears or damage. The dashboard and door panels are original, with a classic wood grain touch, and the audio system has been upgraded. The car's flooring is in good shape, with no signs of rot or mold. It features a 3-spoke steering wheel typical of that era. While it hasn't been driven much recently, it is expected to be roadworthy after some mechanical attention and light cleaning to restore its original appearance. Number 2. The 1974 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, priced at $10,000, located in Lugooty, Idaho. This is a well-preserved classic muscle car. The exterior is blue with white stripes on the hood, giving it a sporty and eye-catching look. The paint is about 20 years old but still looks good. The 455 CU in 7.5L V8 engine has been modified for increased power, and the Turbo 400 automatic transmission has been upgraded with a shift kit for more aggressive gear shifts. The car features a 3.42 POSI differential, enhancing rear-wheel traction. A new exhaust system with headers has been installed, improving both sound and performance. The interior is fairly clean with black leather seats, though some aging signs are visible on the dashboard and aftermarket steering wheel. There is minor damage to the rear frame rails, but the owner has included replacement rails if the buyer wishes to repair them. Despite these flaws, the car remains drivable and is described as very fun to drive. The owner is open to selling or trading for a 1974 or older Chevrolet Nova, a 1962-1967 Impala, or other classic muscle cars. Number 3. The 1966 AMC Rambler Classic 770, priced at $10,000, located in Dahlonega, Georgia. This classic station wagon is in good condition. The exterior has a straight body with gold paint, which still looks great after being repainted about 5 years ago. The interior maintains its original turquoise color, including the seats and door panels, preserving its classic charm. The car is still equipped with a factory chrome roof rack, adding to its appeal. Under the hood, it features a well-maintained 232 inline-6 engine, paired with an automatic transmission and power steering, ensuring a smooth driving experience. Additionally, it comes with a factory-installed underdash air conditioning system, a rare feature for its time. With its current condition, this vehicle is ready to be driven and is sure to attract attention, especially among dedicated classic car collectors. Number 4. The 1969 GMC 1500, priced at $6,500, located in Marbury, Alabama. This classic truck remains mostly original and is still used as a daily driver with 64,000 original miles. Mechanically, it has received several upgrades, including a Holley Contender intake and a new Edelbrock carburetor installed less than a year ago, along with headers and dual Flowmaster 40s exhaust system. The braking system has been completely updated with a new power booster, master cylinder, brake lines, shoes, and other hardware, while the original drum brakes have been resurfaced. The cooling system has also been upgraded with a new aluminum radiator, water pump, and HEI distributor. The truck maintains a classic look with turbine wheels and new Cooper Cobra tires. Although the engine runs strong and is reliable for long trips, there are some signs of body wear, such as rust at the bottom of the doors and rocker panels. The truck is available for a reasonable cash offer and is being sold without a trade option. Number 5. The 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $10,000, located in Houston, Alabama. This is a well-maintained classic car that remains highly reliable for daily driving. The interior is complete and in good condition, featuring an aftermarket radio installed inside the glove box and well-preserved weather seals. The exterior is nearly straight, though the paint is slightly aged and has some cracks from a repaint done about 15 years ago. All trim pieces are intact and in good condition. The car is fitted with new Krager wheels and high-quality tires. All lights and windshield wipers function perfectly. It still uses a 12V generator, not an alternator, which was replaced along with the battery last summer. Powered by a rare and original 221 V8 engine, it is paired with a smooth shifting Ford-O-Matic 2-speed automatic transmission. Additionally, the car comes with a protective cover. Number 6. The 1965 Plymouth Belvedere, priced at $8,900, located in Richboro, Pennsylvania. This car is still running and drivable. The exterior is blue, with some rust spots on the body that have been repaired in the past, but still require further attention. The undercarriage is very clean, indicating that the main structure is still in good condition. The blue interior is quite worn, with the front seat having tears, and the rear upholstery appearing faded. The convertible top also needs repair or replacement. The trunk holds 2 spare tires, and the car comes with 4 original steel wheels and hubcaps. It is powered by a 273 V8 engine with an automatic transmission and dual exhaust, though no further details about its mechanical condition are provided. This car is being sold as part of an estate sale, as the previous owner has passed away, and it comes with a clean title. Number 7. The 1963 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $6,000, located in Atlanta, Georgia. This 4-door hardtop has 100,000 miles on the odometer. From a distance, the exterior still looks impressive, with good glass despite some delamination, and no water leaks into the interior. However, rust spots are present in some body corners, and the paint has bubbling in certain areas. The interior has been refurbished, featuring new, non-original seats and replacement carpeting. Mechanically, the car starts up every time, has tires with good tread, and has recently received a new radiator, head gasket, and coil. However, fluid leaks require periodic refilling, including coolant, transmission fluid, brake fluid, and power steering fluid. Additionally, the car has no AC or heater, struggles to shift into higher gears, has some inoperative windows, and has loose steering. Manual priming of the fuel pump bulb is needed to start the car, as it still uses a mechanical fuel pump. Given these issues, it is recommended to transport the car using a trailer for long trips, and it is sold as is, with no warranty. Number 8. The 1953 Hudson Super Wasp, priced at $8,500, located in Cochran, Georgia. This car is equipped with a flathead 6 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Mechanically, it runs, stops, and operates properly. Some upgrades have been made, including front disc brakes and new tires. However, the interior needs restoration, with seats covered by temporary fabric and a damaged and deteriorated headliner. There are rust spots on the body and interior roof. The exterior has custom flame paintwork, reflecting a classic hot rod or lead sled style. The engine bay shows signs of wear and requires refreshing, but the main components remain intact. This car is being sold without a title, bill of sale only, which may be a factor for potential buyers. Overall, this is a classic project car with great potential for customization, but requires further restoration. Number 9. The 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $8,000, located in Arab, Alabama. This 4-door classic has been modified with a 350 V8 engine, a turbo 350 transmission, headers, and a dual Flowmaster exhaust system exiting in front of the rear tires. The blue exterior still looks decent, though some areas show aging signs. The interior needs attention, particularly the missing headliner and torn front seats. The door panels also show wear and are missing some trim pieces. The car still has drum brakes and is said to run well, with the transmission functioning properly. However, since it has been sitting idle for most of this year, it may require a carburetor cleaning and a new battery. It sits on 18-inch wheels and tires that are nearly new, adding a sporty look to the vehicle. Overall, this car is roadworthy, but needs some repairs to be more comfortable and presentable. Number 10. The 1986 Dodge Ram Van B250, priced at $5,000, located in Newnan, Georgia. This van retains its original carbureted engine and is in very good overall condition, with no rust and reliable drivability. The suspension and brakes were replaced before the previous owner purchased it, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. The 360 engine runs well, and the sound system is excellent. The interior has been customized into a comfortable space with plush carpeting and cushions, creating a classic touring van atmosphere. However, there are a few issues. The windshield wipers are missing, replaced with a protective coating. The driver's side window won't roll up or down, even though the motor still works. One exhaust pipe needs repair due to a broken weld. The odometer is non-functional, so the mileage is unknown. Despite these flaws, the van remains solid and ready for use. Number 11. The 1977 AMC Pacer wagon, priced at $10,000, located in Jefferson, Georgia. This Woody wagon-style classic has 63,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a 258 inline-six engine with an automatic transmission and comes equipped with AC, power steering, PS, and power brakes, PB. As a Southern car, it has been relatively well preserved. The original paint shows signs of aging in some areas, with a small rust spot behind the driver's side rear wheel. The interior remains original and in good condition, with aftermarket wheels and new tires as additions. The floor is solid, the glass is in good shape, the engine runs smoothly, the transmission shifts properly, and the braking system functions well. This car is available for serious buyers only, with no trade offers accepted. Nationwide shipping can be arranged, and as long as the listing is active, the car is still available. Number 12. The 1970 Chevrolet Caprice, priced at $5,000, located in Ringgold, Georgia. This two-door classic has undergone several modifications. It is powered by a 305 engine from a 1986 Caprice paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Mechanically, it is running and drivable, with a Flowmaster exhaust system featuring bow tie tips. Features like power steering and power disc brakes are still functional, and the glass is in good condition. The interior retains its original seats and door panels, though the front seat has damage. The lights and wipers work properly, and the body is generally solid, though rust is present on the lower quarter panels. The dashboard has cracks and missing sections, and an aftermarket steering wheel has been installed. The exterior remains visually appealing with a classic black paint job, but some areas would benefit from further restoration. This car has a clean title and is being offered at an affordable price. Number 13. The 1978 Plymouth Volare, priced at $6,200, located in Yadkinville, North Carolina. This classic car has a brown exterior that is still in decent condition, though fading paint and potential light rust indicate aging. Based on the provided images, the car has undergone significant repairs, including complete brake system overhaul, new wheel cylinders, master cylinder, rotors, and more. New alternator, voltage regulator, and battery. It is powered by the Super 6 inline-six engine, a dual carburetor variant, and should run well after the recent repairs. The interior remains mostly original, though it shows wear, particularly on the carpeting and dashboard. The trunk is spacious but exhibits signs of aging on the lining. The engine bay is complete and in fair condition, with some rust and grime on components. Overall, this is a promising classic project for collectors or 1970s car enthusiasts, especially those interested in a restoration project with great potential. Number 14. The 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, priced at $9,500, located in Decatur, Alabama. This classic coupe has undergone several upgrades and repairs, making it a comfortable and roadworthy cruiser. It features a newly refreshed 140 HP engine, a Corsa dashboard, and 14-inch Oldsmobile Cutlass wheels. The Madeira maroon paint has been recently applied and protected with a ceramic coating. The interior remains original, with factory vinyl seats in excellent condition, no tears or loose stitching, along with new carpeting and floor mats. The braking system has been upgraded, including rear axle bearing, a hub repairs by Michael Levesque, and adjustable rear struts from a Corvette. Additional features include dual exhaust system with turbo mufflers, 4-speed manual transmission with a short throw shift kit for quicker, more precise shifting, factory original wood steering wheel, older convertible top that remains intact with no tears. Although not a concours-level show car, this Corvair is an excellent driver's car, ready for long trips and enjoyable cruising. Number 15. The 1977 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $1,500, located in Cincinnati, Ohio. This two-door coupe is powered by a 301 CID V8 engine, 135 HP, two-barrel carburetor, and is running and drivable. However, a knocking noise from the rod bearings suggests mechanical issues that need to be addressed. Structurally, the body, frame, and trunk are solid, though some rust spots and dents are visible. The car is mostly original, except for a 4-barrel carburetor and an aftermarket radio. The original parts are stored in the trunk. The interior shows wear, with worn leather seats and a rusted floor. Mechanically, the brakes and tires are in good condition, and all lights and electrical components are functioning. However, the title has a salvage record, and the odometer reading is inconsistent, suggesting possible prior accidents or major repairs. This car is best suited as a project vehicle for someone willing to restore or modify it. If you're interested in our car, please check the video description and don't keep asking, dude. Thanks.